Hello from Southern Comfort Shepherds and welcome back. It is week 6 of our full DDR litter with Ranger and Rain. Ranger said he wanted to be in this video today. These puppies are getting big and beautiful, and guess what today is? We're going to be changing collars because everybody's collar's gotten too small, so we're going to be changing out collars. Baby doll, I'm going to hand you these and you're going to give me each collar so I can pick up each puppy and not miss any, okay? All right, Ranger, what you doing, big boy? Look at this sweet baby. So big old Ranger, he's the daddy of everybody. So most people got to come out and meet their puppies, but I know everybody's wanting to see their puppies. So let's start out with, I've got, is this dark blue or here's pink? Pink, let's get pink. All right, so set pink collar aside. Everybody's dirty, they've been running and gunning outside. But here's pink girl. Yes. Say hi, Mom and Daddy. They've all been playing. It's hot out here. We thought about doing a video later on, but we're gonna make this quick. So that's pink girl. Hi, pink girl. Hi, girl.
All right, grab one, yeah.
All right, so let me see who I got here. Here's green collar. Let's set his collar aside. Here you go, baby doll. Hold that. Here's green boy. Oh, goodness. Uh-oh. Here comes Rain. Rain's out. So here's green boy. Rain. Rain. What are you doing? So here's mama girl. She hasn't been nursing anymore, but she gets to come in and see everybody. So this is green boy. Say hi. Isn't he beautiful? He's going to look like his mama. Hi. Hi. All right, so that's green boy. Let's see. Here's a white collar. White collar girl. Come here, baby doll. Come here. Come here. So here's white girl. Say hi, Mom and Daddy. Say hi. Look at her. Look at her. That's white girl. All right. Give me those collars. Let's get orange next. Orange will be next. Where's orange? Look at everybody trying to nurse. Look at this. What do we got going on here? What kind of shenanigans is this? You guys are weaned. All right, so here's orange collar. Say hi. Hi, Mama. Hi, Daddy. Isn't she gorgeous? Pretty thing. What you think, Big Ranger? What you think? Is that your baby? Is that your baby? So that's orange girl. All right, let me see what you got there. You got purple. Let me grab purple. Look at this. Look at this. You guys. Just like, yep. All right, so this is purple boy. Say hi, Mom and Daddy. Look at him. He's big boy. So that's purple boy. Let's do that little ear up shot. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. All right, let's see who we got. Light blue. Let's find light blue. There he is. Come here, light blue. I got you. I got you. Here's light blue. Say hi. Look at the head on this boy. Look at that. Ooh, that's a beautiful DDR puppy. Look at there. That's light blue boy. All right, and I see this red collar laying over here, so we'll just drop it. All right, so red boy. Where's red boy? Where are you? Here you are. There's red boy. Look at there. Say hi, Mom and Daddy. Look at me. My ear up. Ooh, I'm gonna be so beautiful. Yes, hi. All right, go see your mama. All right, let's see what else you got in your hand. All right, yellow collar. There's yellow collar. It's hot out here today. What do you think the temperature is? Oh,
Mid-80s.
like 88. Yeah, look at this. Look at this yellow collar boy. Remember, this is Duke. Duke. Hi, Duke. Look at there. You're so sweet. We gotta do our little ear up shot. Look at that. Nice yellow collar. All right, who else have we got? Now we got dark blue. Dark blue, where are you, dark blue? Where is he? Here he is. Come here, boy. Come here. Here's dark blue. Say hi, everybody. Look at you, look at you. What you got going on? You trying to nurse again? Let's put our little ear up. Look at that. Woo! I love these little cheeks. All right, so that's dark blue boy. Look at there. So everybody's getting their collars changed. Everybody's going home the weekend, the first weekend of May. Everybody's all excited. Most people came out and got to meet with their dogs, but some people live far out of town, so they rely on these videos to see them. And you see this, they're already weaned, but anytime they get with their mama, they're gonna try and get what they can. All right. Come here, Ranger. Come here, big boy. Come here, Ranger. Come on, Ranger.
Let's get a little run going on here.
You want me to run? All right, we're gonna do a trot around the figure eight. Can we go around the figure eight, baby?
Sure.
Okay. Come on, puppy, 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 puppy. Come on. Come on, puppy. Come on, puppy. Come on, puppy, 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 puppy. Come on, everybody. Come on, Rain. Come on, Rain. Rain, come on. Come on, puppy, 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 puppy. Come on. Come on, puppy, puppy, puppy. Come on, puppy.
Bring it home.
Come on. So here we go. Come on, puppy, 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 puppy. Come on, puppy. Come on, puppy, 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 puppy. All right. So that was our 6-week-old video. Thank you for watching. See you next week. Bye from Southern Comfort Shepherds. Love you.